Hi, this is Lingo. Yes, I'm your host, Jeremy. For today's lesson, we're gonna learn how to say take care in Chinese. I had some colleagues, right? They just left this year to Argentina. So, after the party, I said to them, 保重, 保重. Those two Spanish teachers, they were very fluent in Chinese, but at that time, they were very confused. They say, Jeremy, why are you so mean? Why do you say like 保重 to us? 保重. I know 保 is like keep, and 重 is like weight. It's like, are you saying we're fat? No. Because 保重 means take care, take care. It's like I wish you you take care of yourself because we're gonna live for a real long time, and you're going to Argentina, that is like opposite place from Shanghai, right? So take care in Chinese translate 保重, 保重. Don't translate directly because take is 拿, care is 关心. 拿关心, that doesn't mean anything for me. So 保重, you cannot always translate 保重 into English directly. 保 means keep, 重 is weight. Keep weight doesn't mean anything. So take care, 保重. Remember that. Alright, let me give you two examples so you can understand it better. Like I said, take care used in the situation, very special situation, like somebody gonna leave you for a real long time in some special situation. So for example, in a graduation commencement, graduates gonna say goodbye to each other, right? So under this situation, circumstances, if they say this to each other, bye bye, 再见, that's so informal. They will feel like it just doesn't feel right? But if you say 保重, I mean, most graduates will say 保重 to each other because that means that take care of yourself, because we're going to live for a long time. We're going to different cities to work. We probably will never going to see each other anymore, right? So we say 保重. It also convey a little bit, sad atmosphere and sentimental feeling. Another example is I had a friend. His name is Leo, and when I sent him to the airport, he was gonna work in Gabon for 2 years. Gabon is a country in Africa. Africa is pretty far away from Shanghai, right? And also 2 years working time is pretty long. So at the airport, I said to him, 保重, 保重. If I say bye bye, that's just so informal. Yeah, that just sounds like we're not that close enough. Take care is 保重, 保重. Next time, you can try this word with your really close friend and if somebody gonna leave you for a real long time, a long period. 保重. Alright, this is a Lingo, yes, the best platform to learn Chinese. I'm your host, Jeremy. If you really like our program, please subscribe to our YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Bye-bye.